So if I want to export with a transparent background in After Effects, I'm gonna have to go here to File, and in here I'll select Export and then Add to Render Queue. I'm gonna go here to Render Queue, and then here we have Best Settings. I'm gonna click on this, and here I'm gonna select Best Quality, and I'm gonna click OK, and then here I'll go to Output Module. I'm gonna click on this, and then here I'll select the format, which is this one, RGB. Instead of RGB, we're gonna have to use RGB plus alpha. RGB is the color and alpha is the transparent background we want. So we're gonna have to click on here to get this an option for us, because now we can't select this, as you can see, but that's what you're gonna have to select. Click on Format Options, and then here Performance. We have hardware encoding, audio, and other options pretty much. But then here in video codec, I would select here animation and then click OK. Now when you select animation here, then you have the option to select here RGB plus alpha. And that's all you have to do. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.